this lesson, you are going to learn the second section of the BS chorus. It's a crossover step, kind of like you had a crossover step in the Shim Sham. This one's a little different though, and it's a really nice little step. This is another one of those steps where there's a lot of different variations out there. So you might see it done a few different ways, and that's okay. We are learning the version that I first learned, and that's just what we're going to do. So you're starting with that right foot. You're going to do a stomp, and then you're going to do a heel shuffle step. Then you'll do a backwards flap with the left foot, a shuffle heel drop, crossover shuffle heel drop, step heel, and then you're going to touch that left foot out to the side. So putting that together, you have stomp, heel shuffle, step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. You're holding 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel shuffle, step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. Okay, now the variations on this, I have seen it done with, that pull after the stomp, stomp, pull, heel shuffle, step. I have also, very often the heel drops are hops. I can't hop, so I'm doing everything with a heel drop these days. And then the last little part is what you will see a big variation on, where instead of the touch, they basically do a flap, step, stomp. Heel shuffle, step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel flap, step, stomp. And that stomp actually is the start of the next one. For this version, I learned it that you're going to do the crossover step 3 times. Each time you do it, you're going to change something in it, one little thing. So the first time you do it like I just taught you, stomp, heel shuffle, step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. The second time, we're going to leave that stomp off. We're going to start with the heel shuffle step. So you're holding that 8th beat, and you're going to go heel shuffle, step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. Okay, just the left side again. So you're doing heel shuffle step, back flap, crossover shuffle heel drop, step heel, touch. So putting that together on the left, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. Okay, let's go back to the top of the crossover section and do the right side straight into the left side. So you have 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch. Okay, you're going to do it one more time. This time, the thing we're changing is we are not going to do the touch at the end. You're going to step instead. So it'll be heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel step. And that's your preparation to do the break. All right, so let's put all 3 together. So you have 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel step, stomp, hop, shuffle step, step, shuffle, hop, flap, flap. So it's the same break we used before. Depending on which break you are using, it is the same break that you used before. You can use any of those other breaks, but we're using the same one. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel step, heel touch, heel shuffle step, back flap, shuffle, heel heel, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flap, flap. Okay, one thing I'd like to point out, when you're doing this with the touch, it was traditional for chorus girls to point to their toes when they did that. Kind of like, look at my feet. Hey, look at my feet. So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel, shuffle, step, back, clap, shuffle, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, shuffle, step, back, clap, shuffle, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, shuffle, step, back, clap, shuffle, heel, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flap, flap. 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel, shuffle, step, back, clap, shuffle, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, shuffle, step, back, clap, shuffle, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, shuffle, step, back, clap, shuffle, heel, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, flap, flap. One more time. 5, 6, 7, stomp, heel, shuffle, step, back, clap, shuffle, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, shuffle,